Your cell culture can be a potential start of a biological breakthrough in a petri dish, flask or a tube. Let's see today what are the three main types of cell culture. Three main types of cell culture include bacterial or prokaryotic culture, plant cell culture and animal cell culture. Prokaryotic cell culture is the simplest out of the three, wherein we cultivate bacteria in a laboratory setting. Archaea are very difficult to be cultivated in the lab. Bacterial colony is an asexual offspring arising from a single bacterium. That means that all the bacteria in the particular bacterial colony are genetically identical. This is known as a pure culture. The plant cell culture involves growing the cells, tissues or organs of a plant in a culture medium in laboratory under sterile conditions. This technique exploits the characteristic of plant cells known as totipotency, which means that any cell of the plant can be used to regenerate any organ of that particular plant. For example, from the shoot cells you can also grow root cells by altering the composition of the culture medium. By this technique, we can produce thousands of genetically identical plants from a single parent plant. The technique is known as micropropagation and the plant offsprings are known as soma clones. Whereas the animal cell culture is the most complicated out of all the three procedures. It involves the in vitro culturing of the animal cells in regulated and sterile laboratory settings. We can create the particular cells, tissues or organs by mimicking the in vivo physical conditions in the laboratory settings. The animal cells do not have the totipotent properties, which means that the cells of that particular tissue or organ can be used to regenerate only those particular tissue or organ. Can you list down the other differences between these three cultures? Comment down below and do not forget to subscribe to the channel.